Hello po sa inyong lahat. Sa vlog na ito ay patuloy naming ibabahagi ang aming simpleng pamumuhay dito sa bukid at aming isi-share ang mga challenges na na-experience namin sa pagtira dito at ang mga ginawa naming solusyon. Ipapakita din namin sa inyo ang mga update at upgrades na ginawa dito sa aming bahay. Kami po ang La Pamilya Stepanov. Welcome po kayong lahat sa aming channel. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa panunood. So, ngayong araw guys ay nagising ako ng maaga para maghanda ng almusal at pangbaon ni Yuri sa school. At pinagluto ko nga siya ng pancakes. Maliwalas at tahimik ang aming umaga ngayong araw at maganda din ang panahon.
Alright.
Wash your hands.
Panini
Did you wash your hands?
Kanan.
Yes. Wash your hands. Go.
Вкусно?
Banana.
Banana? Banana pancake? Yum.
Kakagising lang ng aming cute baby Mia. At nagluto din ako ng sunny side up eggs para sa amin ni Dimitri. Sa breakfast, hindi talaga kami kumakain ng rice. Eggs at bread with coffee lang para kay Dimitri. At ako naman, same din. Except, tsaa naman ang iniinom ko.
Cute. Where'd you go?
Alright.
Physical
Hatid
education.
namin si Yuri sa school and punta kami sa gym after.
We all have physical education today.
Yeah. Physical education. Your bag, you forgot.
Marshall, Marshall, can you bring the bag? Yuri's bag. Marshall, Yuri's bag.
Marshall, push it.
Pink umbrella! Sorry, we're late.
Maliwagang ano ba? Bisan sa balay, bisan sa balay. May ang inakuan.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher. Hi, so teacher, when you talk good morning, teacher. Dali-dali ginikaon ba? Naabay mga ano.
Isa sa the best na mabibigay natin sa ating mga anak ay for them na magkaroon ng healthy and happy parents. Kaya ngayon ay sumama na ako mag-gym kay Dimitri para maging healthy din ako with exercise and of course right diet. Matagal-tagal nga din akong hindi nakapag-exercise na kaya hindi ako nagbuhat ng mabigat. Very light lang yung exercise ko guys. Kasi alam nyo na CS din ako. Kaya bawal talaga ang mabibigat. Sobrang bigat. And cappuccino for the gentleman. Hello. Did you have fun?
I want
You're sick.
Mama.
Sit down. We're gonna buy
I want to
something.
go to LP Mart.
Did you have fun?
Pancake house.
Look!
Wow, show me your good job sticker. Wow,
It's a great job.
It's a great job.
Great job, Judy.
Great job, Yuri. What did you do there? How did you earn this great job Yuri sticker? What did you do to earn this?
And to be, I like, nang, 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 nang.
You dance? Yeah? Nang, 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 nang. Baby sis! Hi! I'm back! Mama is back! Hello! Can you say mama? Mama! 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 Ulam for lunch. Patola, lagyan nating sardinas at saka sutanghon. Sabaw tayo kasi medyo maulan. I'll never gone with the wind. Just let it flow. Patola and alugbati from our garden.
You cook it so fast.
Yeah, because I'm already so hungry. Guys, ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga new upgrade dito sa bahay. So, meron kaming pinapagawa ngayon na pathways. Meron na to dati, meron na kaming pathways actually around the house. Shh, we're filming here. Marshall! So, bakit namin to pinaulit yung pathways namin dito, guys? Kasi nung palaging umuulan, ang bilis niyang nasira. Ang daming mga butas-butas. Kasi yung siguro yung pag-unang pagka-mix ng simento nito, hindi masyadong maganda. Kaya ang bilis niyang mabutas. So, pinaulit namin ngayon. Nag-hire lang kami ng mga freelance workers. At ayan, itong sa step namin dito, tsaka yung sa may hagdanan namin doon sa front, pinalagyan namin ng pebbles na ganito. Mas maganda na siyang tingnan ngayon. At pinalagyan ng pipinturahan din ito dito. Hindi pa sila tapos, ongoing pa ang pag-upgrade ng aming pathways. Okay naman yung pamumuhay namin dito sa bukid. Peaceful, pero palagi kaming may mga challenges sa aming bahay dito sa aming area. For example, itong namin, water tank, pinagawa namin tong water tank long last month pa yata. Kasi meron din kaming problema sa tubig dati. Minsan, pag malakas yung ulan, yung source ng tubig doon sa taas ng bukid pumuputok. So, matagal nilang maayos. So, mga 4 or 1 week minsan wala kaming tubig, kaya nagpalagay na kami ng water tank dyan. For in case walang naka-cut off yung tubig doon, source, meron kaming water tank. Ayun na, walang kuryente. So, yan nga guys, one of our challenges here sa bukid. Wala kaming, palaging nagba-brown out dito actually, lalo na pag umuulan or kahit every weekend yata, ewan ko ba, bakit dito almost every weekend laging walang kuryente dito sa amin. So yung pinaka-latest naming upgrade dito sa bahay guys, yay! I'm super duper happy with this. Kasi masusolusyonan na ang aming laging brown out dito sa aming lugar. Ayan, meron kaming EcoFlow Delta 3. Grabe guys, napaka-powerful nito. 1,800 watts.
Okay.
Enough to run 99% of our home appliances like our TV, our PS5, computers, what else? Starlink.
We always use it for Starlink. And electric fan, I think we can turn everything.
Electric fan, ref. We can
Refrigerator.
even,
Yeah, we can
we
try.
can try ref.
Yeah. Let's try maybe.
Ref?
Let's turn on everything here. PS5. We have
Okay, let's try.
we have only 77% left.
Yeah,
So
because
now only Starlink is on and our CCTV. And we can see the output of like how many it's it now, like 40 watts, like Starlink and CCTV. So and we can see it's left like for almost 12 hours. It's can run it. Like we have internet for
we
all
have
day.
12 hours left.
Yeah, 12 hours, but it's working already all day today.
Yeah, because
No
brown out.
Yeah.
Kanina pa nag-brown out, kaninang umaga. So, kanina pa namin to ginamit.
Like all morning. Yeah.
Yeah, all morning namin to ginamit. Kaya may 70%
Yeah. Usually
na lang siya.
when it's 100%, it's 16 hours left with our CCTV and Starlink internet.
Amazing.
So, yeah, let's try to turn on TV and everything. You can make video. I would turn it on.
Okay, try natin ang TV, guys.
Yeah, we usually.
Yeah, that's...
And here is half like. And PS5. What did this one? I think.
Yeah, that one.
Let's put maybe internet here.
Ang dami niyang, ang dami niyang mapaplagan. Anong tawag dyan? Socket? Socket? Yeah, it's socket. Dami. 1, 2, 3, 4. Meron pang mga cables.
Okay,
Pang wire, pang USB.
Let's try. Our CV is 65-inch. So, it's interesting.
It's interesting. How, can we see how much it's gonna eat?
Where is the? Yeah.
Yeah, it's here.
But we need to turn it on first, everything.
Yeah, turn it on.
That's a nice feeling that I can turn on TV with brownout and even start the PS5.
You can even play now.
Yeah, actually. So, PlayStation.
Okay, wow. Gumana nga siya. It's working. Both the PS5 CCTV, our TV, and Starlink are working at the same time now.
Whoa, 300 watts. So it's well enough for 2.5 hours, almost 2.5 hours. Yeah, 2.5 hours with 76% of battery. I feel hot. Maybe turn on electric fan.
Try electric fan. It's kind of hot actually today. I don't know. Medyo, parang uulan. Iba yung weather ngayon. Parang uulan pero medyo mainit. Try natin ng electric fan.
We will turn off CCTV. It's not eat a lot anyway. But electric fan, it's already serious. Maximum number 3.
Number 3. Hindi na tayo matatakot sa brownout nito. Meron na tayong power bank. EcoFlow Delta 3. Itong na to, power bank na to.
You want to charge your phone?
I can charge my phone. Actually, my phone is low bat. Look, it's drained. Let's try to charge my phone.
Yeah, look, I'm playing.
So it's, okay. Naglaro si Dimitri.
Who has brownout?
Ang kagandahan sa power bank na to ay 1 hour lang ang charging duration niya. Full charge na kaagad. Dumating ito sa amin ng mga 30% ang battery niya. And then, chinarge namin about 36 minutes. 100% na siya kaagad. Napakabilis talaga. Itong power bank na to is actually the fastest charging power bank in the world. Sobrang laking tulong nito sa amin kasi kahit mag-brownout pa dito sa amin ng mga ilang araw, meron kaming backup. Pwede namin itong i-charge sa my cafe, malapit sa amin ng 1 hour lang. And then while charging, inom kami ng kape. And then after an hour, fully charged na kaagad, uwi ng bahay. Meron na kaming magagamit na internet for the whole day. Kasi kung Starlink lang naman ang gagamitin namin dito sa power bank na to, ay this is good for 16 hours of use. Try natin i-charge ang aking phone.
Type-C.
Where's my phone?
Charging.
Charging!
It's
Ang galing.
So let's try turn on the ref
Yeah, try natin ang ref,
for in
guys.
case we
Tingnan
need to
natin.
save our meat. Wait, I turn it off.
Maganda to kasi pwede din to sa ref. So 'di ba pag may brownout tapos pag meron kaming mga karne sa fridge, so masisave namin kasi last time nung na-remember niyo yung bumagyo last time for 4 days wala kaming electricity. Ang dami naming nasira na mga doon, mga meat noon. Kasi wala pa kami nito noon. So ngayon pwede ang ref dito. Kasi save na namin ang aming mga karne pag may brownout.
Oh, no, it's here. Not far.
Let's try.
I don't know if I can put the. So we have pretty short cable for the ref. We need extension here, but we just want to show how it works.
With ref.
Yeah, look,
Okay.
I already plug it in
Show them.
and
Is
it's
there?
working. Yeah.
Ayan na.
Yeah, look, I will turn it off and it's all off.
Turn it off. Try. Okay.
So, and what's the most cool also, what I really like, it's UPS
May
function.
UPS function din ang power bank na to. Ang UPS ay nagsisilbing backup power source. Kung ma-interruption sa main power supply, automatic itong nagsiswitch to battery power na tinitiyak ang tuloy-tuloy na operasyon ng mga konektadong devices. Pag may kuryente, automatic na nag-charge ang baterya at sabay na nagbibigay ng power sa mga connected devices. Pag nawala naman ang kuryente ay walang putol ito na nagsiswitch sa power ng battery at pinipigilan nito ang anumang interruption sa power supply sa mga nakakonect na mga devices.
We always have internet now, like never have disconnect or anything. That's
No
the most important
disconnection.
for our work. Yeah, because
Dimitri works online.
I'm making sometimes online stream.
Meetings online.
And I sell things there, so if it will interrupt, I just will not able to sell and earn money.
You will lose your customer.
Yeah,
So, napakalaking tulong nito sa amin talaga.
yeah. So most of the time we're using Starlink, and it says now we have 12 hours more. So
Where?
it's
Okay.
11, 12. It's always changing because it depends of how many devices using internet and. So yeah, UPS, it's very nice option.
Very nice
Feature.
function for this.
Again.
Meron kaming own solar panels. On the way na siya. Ite-test natin at ipapakita namin sa inyo sa next video naman, guys. Chang! Here is ongoing construction. Tingnan nyo. Come here, my cameraman. So, ayan. Pinalagyan namin ng pebbles din dito para hindi siya slippery. Tapos, madali lang siyang linisin. Pag umuulan, hindi siya masyadong magkalumot-lumot. Ayan. Tapos, papipinturahan namin ulit ng ganitong kulay. Pati na to, ipapaayos namin. Nakita nyo, may mga cracks. May mga cracks dyan. Paulit namin yan. Mag-harvest tag mais. Mag-harvest tayo ng mais. Meron na kaming ma-harvest na mais. We also need upgrades here. We need to paint our kubo soon because it's getting bad. Kailangan siya i-treatment, guys, kasi meron ng mga ano tawag dyan, kinain na yung mga kawayan. ASMR. Ang bilis lumaki ng mga mais. Akala ko mamamatay sila nung natumba sila nung bagyo. Buti naman at nagpatuloy. I think ito pwede na to. Siguro doon. Ito, malaki na. These are corn, but this is not your. This is not the corn you like. You like sweet corn? This
Yeah.
is sticky corn.
Yeah.
But I like sticky corn. It's my favorite corn.
So you grow for yourself.
Gelatin corn. No, I didn't.
So big farm here.
We don't have. We just don't have seeds for sweet corn. And, oh, I tried growing sweet corn there last year, but it didn't. It didn't go through. Puno. Hindi inabunuhan. Organic to. Mas masarap to organic. Yeah! Baby. For baby sis. Wow, ang dami! Yung iba maliliit pa. Next naman yun. Dami nating harvest.
Napay ka, napamay mo. Hindi pa gadi, ugani.
Daming
Sunod si
langgam na itim. Ito mga sitaw. Tapos meron tayo ditong patola. Oh, tingnan nyo ang aming avocado. Grabe. Look, this is avocado.
Oh, nice. Soon we can eat it.
Yeah, but I think some
Like
worm eating the leaves.
couple of years. Or...
Look.
Sunod si Manane.
There's a big worm in my garden eating the leaves. Yummy leaves.
Lumago na.
See? Yeah. Look at this worm.
Ako
Grab it so fast.
I go home. Вот так.
Multitasking.
Молодец.
That's how you multitask your work.
Ой!
So, kami na lang ni Dimitri dito. Natulog na ang mga bata. What are you doing?
I'm reading. I read for Yuri. He fell asleep. Now I'm reading. I have my graph.
I'm reading. You're reading for yourself?
No, now I'm making me I sleep.
So, ang pagtira namin dito sa bukid, guys, ay hindi rin palaging madali. Meron din kaming mga kinakaharap or mga na-experience na problema kagaya nung sa tubig namin, kagaya nga ng palaging walang kuryente. Dito palaging nagba-brownout lalo na pag may masama ang panahon. But with EcoFlow Delta 3 talagang nasolusyonan ang aming problema at hindi na kami natatakot na mag-brownout kasi meron na nito at tuloy-tuloy na yung pagtrabaho namin online. Lalo na si Dimitri, kailangan niya talaga ng kuryente, internet everyday. So with this, talagang nakakatulong siya kasi palagi ng may wifi dito. Kasi siya, compatible sa Starlink. Na-test na nga namin kanina yung iba't ibang appliances, yung ref, yung TV, yung PS5. Kung meron po kayong gustong specific na appliance na gusto nyong i-test natin dito, mag-comment lang po kayo sa comment section below para i-try natin sa susunod na video. Kung gusto niyo rin pong bumili nito, nasa description box po yung link niya. Tapos, kung meron kayong katanungan, doon yung malalaman. I-click nyo lang ang link sa description box at saka nasa pin comment din siya. So, that's it everyone. See you tomorrow. It's gonna be another tiring day tomorrow. Magkita-kita tayo.
Bugas.
Bugas is rice.
You said it's morning. Tomorrow.
Bukas.
Bukas.
Yeah, magkita-kita tayo.
Bukas!
Even with Filipino accent, bukas! Today is Hot Spring Day, guys. Kasama namin ang kaibigan ni Dimitri at si Yuri. Kakauwi lang ni Yuri sa school at gusto nga niya sumama dito sa Hot Spring. Si baby niya naman ay naiwan sa bahay with Ate Abloy. Natutulog ang baby doon. Isa sa nagustuhan din pala namin dito sa aming lugar ay dahil may malapit na hot spring dito na pwede naming puntahan kahit kailan namin gusto. Napakasarap din mag-relax dito sa hot spring at alam nyo ba na malaking tulong ang hot spring sa ating mga katawan? Maraming health benefits ang hot spring kagaya ng nakaka-relieve siya ng sakit-sakit sa katawan, nakaka-reduce ng stress, nakakatulong siya para mas pa-better yung pagtulog mo. At saka may beneficial effect din sa skin yung minerals dito. Careful there! It's hot, kuya! Careful! Matagal-tagal nga na hindi nagkita sila Dimitri at ang kanyang kaibigan. Ito si Ivan ang unang naging kaibigan ni Dimitri nung dumating siya sa Pilipinas. Nakapag-asawa din siya ng Filipina kaya nandito na rin siya nakatira sa Negros Oriental. Dami nga nilang pinag-usapan kasi minsan na lang din sila magkita ngayon dahil busy sila sa kanilang mga trabaho. Alright guys, hindi na ako magsasalita dito na masyado. Mag-enjoy na lang kayo kasama namin. I-enjoy nyo na lang ang sound ng nature at mag-relax kasama namin dito sa hot spring. Come here, kuya!
Какая-то реформа с тобой. Go! Jump!
After diving,
And then ball.
Yeah.
If there's a snake here. What if there's a snake here? Oh, that tree will fall down. Look. The other one. Yeah. Delicado. Let's go.
Right.
That's all in there. I think, yeah. Very refreshing.
Drinkable.
You can wash your hands here after it's sulfur. It's fresh. Where is it from? Is this the river down up there?
I think it's from the root.
The root?
Root and water goes like that.
Nice.
Like spring.
The hot spring is so good. Nice. Cold but nice. This one is beautiful.